Need to take a large amount of data and make it easy to understand? In SAP Analytics Cloud, charts can prove how a picture is worth 1,000 words, or 1,000 rows of data. When you add a new chart to a story, you define the model or dataset from which it will draw the data to display. Any charts you add after are automatically based on the same data source, but you can change that at any time. Here, you can build your chart dynamically by choosing measures and dimensions. A chart can be something as simple as a single measure value. Once a chart has been added, a wide range of other options are available to customize it further, such as adding other features or hiding built-in elements of the widget. You can resize the widget to accommodate the overall page design you want to create. Duplicate charts you've already formatted so you can change the selected measures and dimensions, or change to a different data source, or even create and display new calculated measures and dimensions based on existing values. More complex chart types are also available, like time series charts that take advantage of date dimensions in the model or dataset. You can customize how the date hierarchy displays, use past values to automatically forecast future ones, and take advantage of navigation tools that let you best display your findings. Other chart types offer additional options, like adding reference lines or variances, displaying predefined comparisons between current and past periods, or calculating compound growth rate. You can also choose chart types that show how values are distributed, or how they contribute to the whole, or how they correlate and cluster together into meaningful patterns. And all this is just a selection of what you can visualize with charts in SAP Analytics Cloud. For more details, check out the help topic links in the description and try it for yourself today.